Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We're looking at DXY on a daily time frame to start it off. As you can see, we're finding some resistance right at where we're expecting it, this third lower high. I am looking for us to claim this area as support moving forward and making a diamond, bull flag kind of consolidation above the 200 EMA here at 103. If we can claim this 103.50 level starting next week, I will be looking for us to start actually breaking out into those higher levels of 104, 105. And that will give added pressure to tech stocks and crypto to the downside. If we do consolidate here, though, at the 103 and we actually pull back down, I'm looking for us to find major support at the low 102.50 area. I don't think we're going to go any lower than that moving forward. The inverse head and shoulder that I'm looking for, I don't want it to get more based than 102.25. But I'm going to use the 21 EMA on a weekly as my guide as to how this is forming. And I'm looking for that right shoulder to be put in, worst case scenario, at this white horizontal here at 102.25 after the consolidation is done, and then a breakout, obviously, to this diagonal blue line where it is following this ascending channel consolidation that we've been tracking for a very long time. It's kind of putting into consolidation like this, kind of right here. Worst case scenario, we were ready for that 95, which didn't come, but right now we are above the 101, the fib target from this overall high. We are consolidating and being accumulated, and then once this is accumulated, I'm looking for us to fight this midline and then straight to 112, and then after that, I'm looking for the targets to be met. That was where this consolidation started. We actually had a front run on the top of this channel and got rejected. But I am looking for this channel to be cleaned, and I am looking for the channel to break out into those higher levels. This is just one target, 127. It's actually a much higher target right there. As you can see, this nice uniform consolidation. I'm looking for that inverse head and shoulder consolidation right here on this white line. Once this is finished and completed, which kind of looks like it's starting, as you can see on RSI, even though we have bearish divergence, we are still eating that divergence to the upside. If we get to this 112 area and then reject back to 105, I wouldn't be shocked and surprised. But that 112.60 area is where I expect us to test into in the next few months. And yeah, that's what I have to say about DXY. Now let's go take a peek at Bitcoin. I'm gonna turn off all the stuff. Let's go to Bitcoin on a daily time frame. And what we were looking for occurred. As you can see, we were looking for us to come find support here at 27.2. If we lost 27.2, $1,000 drop to 26.2 is what we were expecting, and that's where we're at right now. We're at around 25, 8, 90, whatever. We're going to consolidate here. If you look left, that was previous low. If you were trading this as an ascending channel, your channel just broke and confirmed outside, and now you have the basically push down coming to where the next support is. Is support going to be here around 25,000? I don't think so, because it's just so psychologically clean here. I think we might find support near here, near the 20,000, 22,000 area. And then once we test into here, just one wick is all I'm looking for. If that SF swing failure patterns this 19.5 level, I'm looking for this to accumulate and then basically go break the highs. This is something that me and a lot of the members early on were discussing. Jamie, shout out to you, Jamie. You remember what I was talking about? I don't know if this chart will show you the reality slap. And there it is. Worst case scenario, if you don't accumulate over here at this 25K and you lose this 25K, the second you have open and closes underneath it, I would be targeting the original golden pocket over here at 19.5, like I said, 19.6. And once this level is broken, okay, it doesn't matter now if we come here and come back up, it's still going to be a head and shoulder distribution. It will be like a dead cat here at 23.5, and then we'll probably roll on over under this. The first time you're going to get that nice buy up. The second time you're going to see weakness. Third time you're going to break through, and then this area here is what I've been waiting for to see if that's going to play out. So we'll see if that works. Okay. Now if we go to the here, I can actually go to a weekly here so you can see why I'm looking at it like that. The whole time we were looking at a descending channel. This is still a lower high over here, our high over here at like 30,000-ish. I was looking for a high being put in over here at 35.8. We got it here at 31,000, whatever. It's a lower high. So I'm not looking for us to just like shoot on up past this point here anyway. No matter what happens around here, around 41,000 to 36, 35, I was expecting major resistance. So now that we're taking, let me remove all this stuff. Now that we are consolidating here and now you are losing the EMA, this will become a secondary like lower high, and we have to find support, proven support on this inverse head and shoulder. More than likely, you're going to come test this entire order block between 20,000 and 23,000. This wick that we have here is great, but unless you are putting in a flag consolidation here, like in a channel and looking for that breakout, people who are shorting here for the next month or two are probably going to let this grind out into this consolidation zone before they actually close their shorts and then take the long scalp after that 19.5 area. So just be aware of that moving forward. No surprises. Even if on daily, if we get back up to 27,300, that's a shorting opportunity again because you're coming from underneath the 200 EMA. So just be aware of that moving forward, okay? Taking a long here, I get the idea, but it's not the greatest thing in the world right now. Now, here is the biggest concern, ETH. ETH completely capitulated, and this is what happens when you have all your coins in staking and whatnot vehicles. There's a lot less liquidity on the order books, and when a selling event occurs, like a capitulation event like this, since the order books are so low, it just completely like just shot through. We had basically a bunch of cascading liquidations probably in this entire candle that just liquidated people as it was going lower and lower because there was no liquidity on the exchange for filling the orders. Now, this big wick you got here with this huge volume, I can see the buy up already dying out. So this coming back down here and testing into the wick is very logical. Are you gonna be if you miss this 1450, 1480? Oh, if you turn on the fibs, you'll see why that level I've been waiting for. All the members who are members, okay, you guys remember this triangle, okay? I know Cut Corners is gonna remember it. I know Sarah, Cody, everyone that was recently a member. I had this triangle consolidation. I told you guys, hey, the 2000 level was a place to short. After that, this 1950, 1920, 1880, those are all opportunities for you to short. As we came to tickle this 200 EMA over here at 1780, if we didn't hold that level, what we were going to do was capitulate. And that's literally what we did, right to the main point of control on the triangle, the middle of this triangle. And this is how I knew that this consolidation was a trap and a distribution for taking over leverage longs out. And this is where all the YouTubers are like, oh, I'm all in long, and look at it now, right? So I am looking for ETH to come consolidate over here around 1550. If you got that 1400, that's like amazing, good for you guys. If you got that one, I was specifically aiming for this 1545 level. Once that area gave me that long, I actually took profit back over here at the top of the channel here at 1650. And now I am not touching it until I see us either come back to this consolidation or start opening and closing outside of the triangle for that long scalp from 17 to 15 all the way back up to at least 1820. I would be looking. That's another $100 move that I'm going to be trying to eventually, like, I'm going to scalp it in this fashion here. So as this is already came up here, right? Either you're going to break down here and come back to this area and consolidate. You're going to put in a lower high. You're going to break down to the channel. Use this midpoint as a rejection level. Come all the way down here. Liquidate everyone. Consolidate here. And then you look for that long. Claim this level area and then look for that breakout. And I've already had all this basically planned out. Let me take off the drawing tool. As you can see here, We already had a short opportunity over here, and here's my long scalp that I had planned out. So cut corners, Cody, Sarah, all you members, you already remember that we had a nice long scalp sitting here, waiting for this long to go all the way back up. So don't get discouraged. The long is still alive between 1550 to 1300. And if you can scalp that long in this area, it's your probably best long scalp for the next bull run to come. But I am looking for something like this to occur here. Okay. If it's really a wick and it's bullish, we won't even make it back past this midline. We'll consolidate maybe one more higher low here, and then we'll just start launching right back up and following this path up here. So that's basically all I have for you guys today. I'm giving you all the levels. I'm giving you all my fibs. I'm telling you what's in my mind so that way you guys can trade accordingly. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below and I will get back to you in the next video. Aside from that, if you could leave me a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications, I'd greatly appreciate it. If you are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of the video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that's helped this channel grow. So thank you so much for helping me out. And other than that, guys, I hope you have a great weekend and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.